Hello students, welcome to Pradeep Sir Chemistry channel. Today I am going to discuss how to check if you are given some pair, from that how to check or how to say whether that pair will be enantiomer, diastereomer or same molecule. Okay, enantiomer or what? Enantiomer basically non-superimposable mirror image. Okay, what is diastereomer? Diastereomer basically non-identical non-mirror image, right? Okay, see, if from the absolute configurations, like for enantiomer, absolute configurations will change, right? R to S, S to R. Okay, this is for enantiomer and this is for diastereomer, right? Okay, RR to SS, SS to R, SR to RS, RS to SR, like that. Okay, for diastereomer it will be like for RR to RS, SS to say SR, RS to RR, SR to SS. It's like that. Okay, clear? This will be like for enantiomer and this is for diastereomer. We are not going to check the absolute configurations in this case. We will simply, just by checking the configurations, we can easily tell that whether the pair will be enantiomer or diastereomer or identical molecule, right? Okay, let's get started. Okay, first say you are given this one and if you are given this one, you need to compare, say what is the relations between this one with this one, this one with this one, this one with this one and this one with this one. So first what I will do, so Newman to just go to the bond line, because other structure are given like bond line projections, bond line. Okay, so what I will do, first I need to convert it. See, if I converted this one, what I told you last time, that you just give a view from this side. So this will be your ME, this is basically your ET, this will be like right side, so this is like OH, this is like H. Okay, for this case it is basically OH and this is H. Okay, no problem. Okay, okay, OH and OH, OH and OH. Now from here to here, how can I come? You just rotate this bond, So if you rotate this bond, then what will happen? It won't change here. You just keep it here OH, this is OH. So it will change like here ET, this will become ME, and if you change, then OH will be dash. So this will be OH and this is basically this. Okay. Now from here we can check all the other configurations. Let me convert this one also. Okay. From like you just give view from this one, this side, or from top side also. So what will happen? This is basically beta ME, this is basically beta ET. So OH same side, OH, this is OH, this is OH, this is H, this is my H. No problem. Or you just do one thing, in order to check this one or convert from here to here, you just give a top view from here. It's a very simple. It's like a person is standing like this, a person is standing like this. So this is my H, this is my OH. Say I am standing like this, and in front of me some other person standing, it's like same way. Okay, so head portions like carbon carbon, and this right hand side OH, this right hand side OH, left hand side H. So it's like that. So conversion is done. Now from here we can easily check that what is the relations between the other pair. Okay, up to this it's a perfectly all right. Okay, now okay. Now say, let me start with this one. What is the relations between this one and this one? How can we check that? Don't bother about R and S. I am not trying to talk about R or S. From RS you can calculate that one. So no need of wasting time here. We will show later. Okay, in this case you just check like one by one. in this carbon configurations you just check. Here OH and H same, OH same. Okay, so no change in configurations. Now you come this carbon. In this carbon, OH is actually OH and H is OH dash, and this one is OH representations. So here it changed. Here H is basically dash and OH. So only one carbon configurations change. So we can easily tell. Like if it's one, if it's say this is 1 and say this is 2, say this is 3, so this is my 4 and this is 5. So we can now here we will write. So 1 and 2 only one chiral center configurations change. So we will say 1 and 2 basically diastereomer, no problem. Okay, now compare this one with this one. Compare 1 and 3. So what is the relationship? Check in this chiral center. Is it okay configurations? I mean H here dash, here OH, here it's dash. So changes. So configurations here changes. Okay. So one carbon chiral center it changes. And next, okay, H is OH, here H is dash. So here also configuration changes. So 1 and 3 we can say in two carbon center, I mean absolute configuration changes. So we can say 1 and 3 basically enantiomer. 1 and 3 basically enantiomer. Okay. See, we are not going to calculate like R or S. It means if it is RR, say RR, say it will be here SS. I am not going to spend time on that. Just looking at molecule we can calculate. Now come this one. Come to this one. See here first carbon configuration changes. Okay, first carbon configuration change. Second carbon you need to do one more step because it here upside, right? So you need to rotate the molecule. So you need to do one more step. I will show you that how to convert that. So do one thing. You just rotate this molecule like this. So what will happen? It come down. My Me is like this. This is my H. This is basically beta OH. This is, so this will be now H and this is basically OH. Okay, done. Now check the configurations. Now check it. See here configuration changes. OH, it changes here. It changes here. Okay, here does it change? Change हो गया क्या? देखो भाई, here OH and here OH. This is dash, this is OH. So this is also enantiomer. So 1 and 4 we can say enantiomer. Okay, right. 1 and 4 basically my enantiomer. So done, no problem. Now come here. Relations between 1 and 5. Say 1 and 5, what we will do? Say configurations, first carbon changes. Yes, first carbon it changes. Second carbon changes. Okay, second carbon you just rotate this one, rotate like this one. So what will happen? H, OH and OH basically H becomes like a dash and OH become OH. So here also changes. Here also first carbon it's a changes. It is changing, and second in the second carbon it is also changing. So 1 and 5 we can say it's a basically enantiomer. Is that okay? Perfect, all right, no problem. पक्का देख लो, पहले आराम से देख लो. Okay, say if you rotate this bond, so what will happen? OH will be OH and H will be dash. So here it changes, and this one. So this one also changes because H here dash, here OH, right? So like that way we can. Now if you need to check the relations between, say relations between say 2 and say 3, relations between 2 and 3, what I can say? Relations between 2 and 3. So check here also change, and this no change. So diastereomer. Okay, 2 and 4 first carbon changes and second carbon, okay, this is 4, this is my 4. So first carbon changes, second carbon it does not change. So 2 and 4 also diastereomer. 2 and 4 also diastereomer. Okay. Now go to 2 and 5. What? 2 and 5. So first carbon OH, OH. So first carbon changes. Second carbon OH does not change, because if you rotate then OH will be like OH. So does not change. So 2 and 5 basically diastereomer. 2 and 5 also diastereomer. Right? No problem. Pakka? Okay. It's now perfectly alright. Now what is the relations between 4 and 5? You can write where I can write. Okay. You just write here. Okay. I'll write it here. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. You just check. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 first carbon configuration change? No. 5 configurations, okay, 4 and 5, sorry. 4 and 5 first carbon configuration changes? No. Second carbon configuration changes? No. If you rotate it, OH will be OH. So 4 and 5 identical. 4 and 5 identical. Like that way we can do that. Without, checking the absolute configurations. Just one, we just check the chiral center configuration changes or not, and from that we can easily आराम से हम बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, देख लो पहले देख लो. Is that clear? Hopefully it's okay now. Hopefully it's okay. Okay. Now next proceed to this one. Okay. This one you just check. See, but here only one chiral center, right? Only beta one chiral center. Only one chiral center. जब one chiral center होगा तब तो आप आराम से बोल सकते हैं. कैसे? देख लो बेटा, पहले देख लो कैसे. देखिए बेटा, you can do it in two ways. Without absolute configurations we can tell that. Okay, say relations between, we need to check the relations between, okay, what we are trying to do, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Say 1 and 2 and 1 and 3. We are going to check that. See, you just check one thing. In 1 and 2, ETME, the bond on the plane, ये नहीं चेंज हुआ है भाई. कौन सा चेंज हुआ है? एज और ओएज चेंज हुआ है. मतलब only one change. Only one change means here odd number of changes. See, you just remember one thing. Whenever there will be chiral center and if odd number of changes we do, then absolute configurations also change. For odd number of changes, say if it say R, then it will be S, or if S, then it will be R. And even number of changes, absolute configurations does not change. Absolute configurations does not change. And odd number of changes, absolute configuration changes. Absolute configurations changes. Okay, you are not going to check anything here. Age and OH, it's a like odd number of change, only one change, age and OH. So 1 and 2 will be choke enantiomer. ठीक है, हम बोल सकते हैं, आराम से बोल सकते हैं. अगर if you want to do like that way, sir, I want to, हम पहले फिशर में डालेंगे. ओके, फिशर में डालो, फिशर में कर लो, तो इसके बाद ओएज कहाँ आएगा? ओएज भाई इस तरफ आएगा, एज इस तरफ आएगा. इसको भी कर लो, आपका मर्जी, आप नहीं करके भी बोल सकते हो. एज और ओएज देख लो अभी. सो इसका देखिए, ये मिराडी में है भाई, ये मिराडी में है, तो ये है एनांसियोमर. ओके, अभी देखिए रिलेशंस बिटवीन 1 and 3. 1 and 3 में भाई कितना चेंजेस हुआ? एमी और एटी बदल गए. एमी और एटी वन चेंज, एमी यहाँ पर आ गया, एटी यहाँ पर आ गया, वन चेंज. सेकेंड देखो, एज और ओएज भी चेंज हो गया. सो 1 and 3 बेसिकली आइडेंटिकल because 2 means even number of changes won't change the molecule, it remain the same. So 1 and 3 identical, 1 and 2 enantiomer. Okay, now come to here in this case of like if you are given, आपको अगर ये मॉलिक्यूल दिया जाए तो आप कैसे बोल सकते हो? देखिए भाई, पहले हम कुछ नहीं करने वाला है, हम जस्ट इस कार्बन में कायरल सेंटर है सारे, ये कायरल सेंटर है, कायरल सेंटर में कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेंज हुआ क्या नहीं है ये हम देखने वाले हैं. सो मान लो 1 दिस इज 2 एंड दिस इज 3. सो हम पहले क्या रिलेशंस ढूंढेंगे 1 एंड 2, देन 1 एंड 3, 1 एंड 2. देखिए भाई, पहले 1 में कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेंज हुआ क्या? एज और ओएज नहीं चेंज हुआ है. सर इसमें कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेंजेस हुआ है क्योंकि एज सर ओएज में था, यहाँ एज डैश में हुआ है. सो 1 एंड 2 हम आराम से बोल सकते हैं. 2 यहाँ कायरल सेंटर है तो ये डायस्ट्रियोमर होगा. ठीक है, 1 एंड 3 में आ जाओ. 1 में चेंजेस हुआ है सर, 1 में चेंज हो गया है. ठीक है, 2 में सर चेंज हुआ सर, 2 में सर 2 में भी चेंज हुआ सर, एज और एज डैश. सो 1 एंड 3 बेसिकली दोनों सेंटर में, दोनों कायरल सेंटर में चेंजेस हो गया तो हम बोल सकते हैं एनांसियोमर. देखिए आप आराम से. अच्छा, अभी 2 और 3 का रिलेशंस कैसे हम बोल सकते हैं? 2 and 3. In order to know that 2 and 3, okay, this carbon age OH changes हुआ है, 3 में changes नहीं हुआ है. So 2 and 3 basically diastereomer. What I'm trying to say, without going for absolute configurations, just by checking OH and dash, we can easily calculate, because here connectivity are same. Carbon here HOH CH3 this group, here also carbon HOH CH3 this group, here also connectivity remains same. So without checking the absolute configurations, we can easily mention or we can easily check the relationship. Okay, now come next this one. This is very interesting. So see, first देख लो कायरल सेंटर है क्या. Okay, this is chiral center, this is chiral center. Is it chiral center? Okay, 1 group, 2 group. If you come like this way, third one, here this is different. So fourth one, so chiral center. This is also chiral center, this is chiral center. Here chiral center, and this one chiral center. Okay, now how to do that? In order to do it, first check configurations. In this carbon, okay, first mentions that this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. So relations between say 1 and 2, say relations between 1 and 3 and relations between 1 and 4. What will be the relations? कैसे हम बोल सकते हैं? देख लो भाई, see कैसे होगा? So 1 में चेंज हुआ, हाँ चेंज हो गया सर, 1 में चेंज हो गया सर, 2 में चेंज हुआ, सॉरी इस कार्बन में चेंज हुआ सर, इस कार्बन में चेंज हुआ, इस कार्बन में नहीं चेंज हुआ. सो 1 एंड 2 बेसिकली सर डायस्ट्रियोमर. ओके सर 1 एंड 3, सो इस कार्बन में चेंजेस हुआ, हो गया, इस कार्बन में सर चेंजेस हुआ, इस कार्बन में भी सर चेंजेस होगा. सो 2 एंड 3 बेसिकली एनांसियोमर. ओके, नाउ आ जाओ 1 and 4. See here one thing is that 1 and 4, in order to check that, you need to flip this molecule. You just flip this molecule, flip 180 degree. You just need to flip. Okay, once you will flip, configurations won't change. So if you flip that, what you will get? You just get like age will be your dash, OH will be OH, and this one basically age will be your OH, and OH age will be dash, OH will be basically OH. Now check it. Now if you check 1 and 4 absolute configurations, here age, OH, so no changes. In this case OH, so no changes. So 1 and 4 basically beta identical, or we can say that same molecule. Like that way we can calculate. What I am trying to say, just you just first find the chiral center. After that, each chiral center you just check whether configuration changes or not. No need to calculate R or S. Without R or S we can check that just by check OH and dash, that representation changes or not. अगर वो change नहीं हुआ तो आपका configurations does not change, means the molecule will be identical. अगर एक सेंटर में, दोनों सेंटर में से एक सेंटर में अगर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेंज हो गया तो ये डायस्ट्रियोमर, और दोनों सेंटर में से दोनों ही चेंज हो गया तो आप इसको एनांसियोमर बोल सकते हैं। ठीक है, अब देख लो, आराम से देख लो। ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, वेरी सिंपल। ओके ओके, नाउ इसमें आ जाओ। अभी ये आपको करना पड़ेगा, यू नीड टू डू दैट। हियर यू जस्ट मेंशन एज, दिस इज एज, दिस इज एज। ओके, if you are given, if you are given this kind of molecule, first you need to check chiral center है क्या नहीं है, पहले देख लो इसमें chiral center है क्या। So this is the first group, this is my first group, this is the second group, this one third group up to here MEH, and this is also CH2 and fourth group. So this is same, so this is not a chiral center. Is this a chiral center? This is also not a chiral center. 1 2, this is third, CH2 and CH2 fourth, so same. Is this a chiral center? No. 1 2, so third and fourth. So whatever molecule, this is not a chiral center. So whatever molecule, if you were given like say this molecule, you will be like up, थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे सब क्या हम करने वाला है इसमें। से you are given like Amy, you are given like age, say you are given Amy, say you are given say age, say you are given like Amy, say you are given say age। अब क्या बोलोगे, रिलेशंस बिटवीन 1 and 2। अब क्या करोगे, रिलेशंस बिटवीन 1 and 2 अब कर दोगे। इस कार्बन में कायरल, इस कार्बन में कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेंज हो गए, इस कार्बन में चेंज हो गए, इस कार्बन में चेंज हो गए, तो आप क्या बोलोगे, सर इसका रिलेशंस बेसिकली एनांसियोमर है, इसका रिलेशंस एनांसियोमर है। नहीं मेरे लाल, नहीं, सेम मॉलिक्यूल है। क्योंकि एक गलती मत करो, क्योंकि इसमें कायरल सेंटर है ही नहीं। वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जांपल, कायरल सेंटर है ही नहीं। चलो ठीक है, समझ गए, चलो आराम से चलो। नेक्स्ट अब देखो, नेक्स्ट दिस वन। इन ऑर्डर टू डू दिस वन, हाउ यू विल डू दैट, से यू नीड टू check the relations between, say this is my 1, say this is 2 and this is 3. How to check the, say here what I did like bond line to fissure. Now you just check this one and this one. Okay, chiral center, of course this is chiral center, this is chiral center, chiral center, chiral center, chiral center and chiral center. Okay, it's not an issue, big issue. So what you will do, we need to check, say relations between, say this is 1 and 2, say this is 1 and 2, say relations between 1 and 3. How can you check? See configurations, you just check whether in this case configuration changes, age, no, here it doesn't change. Here does it change? Here it changes basically. Okay, if you want to do that, so okay, do one thing, you just write like ET, ME, this is my age, this is my OH, this is HO, this is H. See, it's not a mirror image. In one point, like here it's a mirror image, but it's not here mirror image. So it is basically diastereomer. So you just write diastereomer. Diastereomer basically non-mirror image, non-identical. Non-mirror image, non-identical. This is not the mirror image. Okay. Now you just do 1 and 3, 1 and 3. You need to do that. You need, if you want to check the 1 and 3, so what you need to do, you just need to rotate this molecule 180 degree. What? Because here ET upside, here ET downside. So you need to convert like this way. आपको ये करना पड़ेगा। तो if you bring ET up, तो ET को ऊपर लेके आओ, ME को नीचे लेके आओ। अभी क्या होगा भाई, इस OH इस जगह पे आ जाएगा, इस OH इस जगह पे, इस H इस जगह पे, अभी इस OH इस जगह पे, इस H इस जगह पे। देखो भाई आराम से काम करो। अगर 180 डिग्री कर दोगे तो ऐसा करो भाई, ऐसा करो। इस OH को इस तरफ लेके आओ, तो ET इस H को इस तरफ लेके आओ, इस H को, तो मतलब ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आराम से। अभी देखो, अभी 1 and 3 का रिलेशंस देखो, 1 and 3 1 and 3 क्या है भाई, ओ एज एक पॉइंट में मिरर इमेज एज इसमें मिरर इमेज हो रहा है, इसमें नहीं हो रहा है, सो 1 and 3 भी डायस्ट्रीमर है। अभी 2 and 3 क्या होगा भाई, 2 and 3 को चेक करो, 2 and 3 को चेक करो। 2 and 3 बेसिकली देखो, ये भी भाई मिरर इमेज, ए इसका मिरर इमेज, इसका मिरर इमेज, इसका ओके। सो 2 and 3 basically mirror image to each other, okay। if you can you check that, okay, I'll show you et age, okay, I'll show you, we just check it, age o this is age, oh sorry, I don't have much more space, so do one thing, 2 and 3, okay, 3 को यहाँ लिखो, इसको ऐसा लिखो, कैसे, ओके, एज ओ भाई, दिस इज एज, दिस इज एज, दिस इज ओ एज, दिस इज 80, दिस इज एम, सी दिस वन एंड दिस वन मिरर इमेज, सो 2 and 3 basically enantiomer, okay, done, okay, I think, okay, okay, so like that way you can check the relations between enantiomer, diastereomer, or whether the pair will be same or not, okay, thank you so much.